Hi everyone, and welcome to another video by Happy Place Creations. Today I'm going to unbox and demonstrate my new digital microscope. And we're going to demonstrate. So stay with me. So I have taken it out of the box already. And this is what it looks like. And I will reposition my camera in a moment so that you guys can get a better view of everything. But I just wanted to show you that the box came with the microscope. Came with a very detailed multi-language book, screen wiper, and a USB cord. So, and it came fully powered. So let me get the camera repositioned and I will be right back with you and we will get this going. Now in this clip I am showing you from the camera view. I am zooming in and putting some stickers on the platform, and I am going to be showing you how it zooms in and zooms out, and just playing with the camera a little bit, just giving you an idea of how the camera works. This is after I have plugged it into the computer and have downloaded the program. I didn't realize I wouldn't have voice while I was doing this recording, so I am doing a voiceover. So I'm just showing you. In a moment you're going to see my finger underneath the screen, because I'm just trying to give you an example of how small the sticker is. Now I'm playing with the lighting feature. It has the ability to turn your lighting up and down so that you can better view the project that you're working on. Isn't this camera just simply amazing? The features that it has. You can put your tray up and down closer to where you're working in your camera. You can record video, as I'm doing on the computer right now. And here comes my finger showing you how small that tattoo is that I'm displaying in the video. And that is my pointer finger, just to let you know. And I will show you more highlights as the video goes on about this camera. Okay, here's the display. Here's the menu button. Here's a resolution. Here it sets your timer. Versions. Whoops, I went the wrong way. But these are all just very simple settings. And that is it. That's all there is. I'm sorry, I hope the light wasn't getting in your face with that one while I was clicking buttons.
but it's very simple. This is what moves up and down. See, with this little turn of this knob here. This is your focus, plus and minus. It's got little things on the bottom to protect your surface. I mean, I'm really amazed with this. I'm impressed. And I really can't wait to use it on trimming my inlays so I can get a lot closer than I was. So that will conclude my review of this item. And I thank you for joining me today, and I hope everybody's happy and healthy. I hope your crafts turn out amazing. If you have a chance to purchase one of these, please do. I got it on Temu, and I'm sure it's going to come in handy if you have difficulties with your eyes and stuff, like I'm beginning to have. Please do check out my eBay store listed in the description. You all have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.